Hey guys, it's Ruthie with the Purple Backyard Farm. I just wanted to show you a quick little water bottle I made. Look at the little cute little diamond things I sewed on, and it has a little handle and they have like a little diamond thing on top. But this would just be fun to use to put my water in as I sit outside. And this is like a button that I used. Thought it would be cute if it matched. That I just cut a piece of this loopy stuff off, which if you haven't seen it, it's comes in a thing like this. I just picked it up at the dollar store. It was real easy to sew on, but it's just a little fun project you can make to put a water bottle in or to give it as a gift, and just any stitch that you want. So here you guys see just a little water bottle holder, and fun project to make in your spare time. Okay, guys. Oops, Clay just got done. He just came in. He's been out mowing. Okay, guys, remember, big or small, you too can be a backyard farm. God bless.